This is a TKY GPS fairing. The fairing also does come with high quality fiberglass construction, personalized windshield, and your choice of the fairing's finish. As for the windshield, you can notice here you choose the height that you'd like the windshield to be in and the finish, either clear or tinted. As for the actual size of the fairing, you will notice the fairing sits about 38 inches in width and about 17.5 inches of height, plus the additional size of the windshield that you actually get to choose that will sit on the top of the fairing. Now as for the actual stereo that's built into the fairing, let's dive straight into it to show you all the features that it comes with. My GPS fairing comes with a flat screen front unit with several features that we're about to show you here. You can notice on the side panel here you have your basic navigation controls, your home, back, power button and volume control, navigation, and an SD card, as well as it also works as a GPS card if you do want to buy a GPS card so that you can navigate and use the navigation when you don't have an internet connection or hotspot to connect to. So you start off here. This is where you control the radio from. It is a touch screen, so you can navigate with your fingers on the screen. You have a couple basic functions here to take you to navigation. I'll show you here now. You have your maps. It does work with Google Maps. You go ahead and press that, and it works similar to any smartphone or tablet. So we're going to go back here. Next, you do have Bluetooth that you can connect with any compatible device. If you do have a cell phone with Bluetooth, you can connect it here and it will show your contacts. You can dial any phone numbers and make calls directly from the TKY GPS fairing. There is a built-in microphone inside of the unit, so you can also use it to talk on the phone and answer phone calls and whatnot. So going back to the main menu here, then you also have the Bluetooth music feature. You'd simply connect any compatible device that has Bluetooth, and you can play music directly from your device onto the front unit of the stereo. Going back here, we also have a couple other music features that you can use. I believe that's a Google or Amazon Music. We can continue. You can open up the settings, and you do have a lot of control. You can customize and personalize the fairing. You can connect to the Wi-Fi, and you can also here control the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth settings that you have. You can control the display. You can change the colors of the actual lights here on the front. You can change the settings that you have on your sound. The apps here, you do have a lot of variety of apps that you can download. Taking you here, I believe it's under, here it is, it's called the Google Play Store, and so you do have to sign into a Google account here, but it is going to be similar to an app store through Apple or Android. It's going to have all apps like Netflix, YouTube. You can download games, play whatever you'd like on there. So moving on here, you do have access to Gmail, and you can browse the internet as well. This is Google Chrome. Just like any smartphone or tablet, like I mentioned, it's basically like a small computer. You can navigate the internet and you have a lot of control. In terms of the actual stereo system, the TKY stereo system includes two powerful 6x9-inch waterproof speakers. They pack 150 watt RMS power rating and a 350 watt peak power. The stereo system also offers an optional 1000 watt amplifier for an extra kick of power, or for those who may just want to install an additional speaker on the back end of their motorcycle. And in terms of the amount of sound that you can get, that you can expect to get from these speakers, I can tell you that it will easily fill this room up with music. And if your goal is to just get music for yourself while you're riding, the standard stereo should do just the trick. In terms of powering the stereo system, the fairing does come with the wiring harness, which allows for an easy installation. You just simply hook it up to the battery with the right terminals. On top of that, we do also offer an optional Bluetooth thumb control, which is going to allow for the changing of the volume, pausing playing music, or skipping of songs. You just mount that onto the handlebar, and you easily have control. And it does come with two USB ports as well. You can plug this in and charge your phone, or even plug in another device if you want to view pictures or anything like that on the actual front unit. On top of that, if you do go with the optional Bluetooth control, it does include a phone mount to mount your device on the fairing, and it is made of stainless steel, very heavy duty case, and you do get to choose the size of the phone case that you want us to send you in regards to the size of your actual phone, so it does fit correctly. Now you can notice the fiberglass construction of the fairing because it is made out of a high quality fiberglass construction. Any minor cracks or damage that's sustained to the fairing can be repaired. And you can notice on the bottom side of the fairing you have 2 metal threads as well as 3 metal threads on the top here. If you do want to take apart the fairing, you simply remove the screws and then you can detach the outer shell of the fairing from the inside, and you'll gain access to the internals for any service or maintenance that you may want to give it. Aside from that, you also have 3 more metal screws running along the side of the inside of the fairing here, as long as another 3 on the outside for a total of 6. Those screws are going to be used for mounting directly onto your motorcycle once you do use the mounting kit that we include in the package. The TKY GPS fairing has over 100 mounting kits to allow for a large selection of bikes that you can use the fairing with. And as you can see here, the mounting brackets for this specific fairing are meant for the Harley Davidson Road King and the Softail. It does use a quick detachable mechanism that the bikes come with from factory. It uses the original mounting post that comes on those bikes, and the brackets that we include do come with a key so that you can insert it and unlock the mounting brackets of stainless steel and lock them when you want to keep it on the fairing. It allows for easy removal and makes it very quick. Now, to get your hands on these fairings, you can go ahead and check out the link that we included in the description below to our website, where you can find these fairings and the complete line of TKY hard bags, touring trunks, and other fairings as well. If you have any other questions, you can always reach us out at 888-725-3679. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.